Come on. Drew. If I pull on it, it comes out. Yay! And there's more in there. Until there's no more left.
What a fun toy. Oh, there's still some in there.
You reach in.
Drew, here. Hi, dear.
Hi. Drew's having fun.
And Daphne's pouting.
Yeah.